everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm taking your first week of October reading, start from the 1st through the 7th of October 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. So I will be adding charms, I will be pulling out oracle cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. And you can also check out the new services that are added in the list of the services that I offer. If you are willing to purchase any of them, you can reach out to me for that as well. So let's get started. Let's find out what is heading towards the Taurus people for the for the first week of October 2020, which is from the 1st through the 7th of October. Let's get started. Let's begin. What is heading towards you guys? Wow. 9 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, the Star. Underneath the deck, you have Ace of Wands. Let me see. Okay. I do see you getting your wish fulfilled around something. It can be something in your love life, work life, home life situation. Whatever it is that you're getting your wish fulfilled around, I feel like there has been some sort of restrictions, opposition coming or from someone in this particular situation, whatever you are dealing with in your life right now. If it applies to your love life situation, I feel like there has been somebody in your life that you have been wishing to be with. If that's the case, I feel like you are approaching that one person in your life, being very hopeful, being very positive, and somehow you have this firm belief that this time around you are not going to get rejected. Why? Because you are a stronger person, you are somebody who's mature, you are somebody who's independent. You don't have to be asking for some sort of approval from anyone to go about what you believe in. So maybe in the past, if you wanted a connection with someone, maybe you were not that strong emotionally, mentally, physically, or financially too. Maybe you had to depend on other people in your life, and that's why you couldn't take the decisions of your life the way you wanted. Or for some reasons there were some multiple people involved, because I do see that there has been some sort of involvement of people in this situation in the past. Now it's like, whether these people give you the approval or they don't, you don't care, you don't give a damn to that. And I feel like you are so sure, you are so happy approaching someone in your love life, with the positive mindset, where where you have no fears attached to it. You know that you deserve this, and you know that now you are in that position where nobody can stop you from going for it. You feel very strong in your position now, which might have not been the case in the past. Like, in the past, even if you wanted to pursue a connection, a person, you were supposed to be seeking approval from people, maybe from your family, maybe from their family. But now situation has changed. If there has been some sort of blocks coming from your person's end, those blocks would or could have been because your financial situation was not as good as it is now. Maybe they wanted their daughter, son, to marry in a family who is maybe rich or something. That could be the case for some of you, but now I feel like there's no block like that. I feel like whatever the block was, it was something related to materialistic block, like something about finances, status, and all those things. But now I don't see the reason why they would say no to you. I don't see the reason why they would be rejecting you. So I feel like you are moving forward with the positive mindset. You know that this time around they will have no reason to say no to you. But having said that, when you approach them, when you reach out to them, when you give out them this proposal or whatever it is, I do see that it's you might not get the positive response there and then. Maybe you will have to wait a few days, or maybe you will have to wait a few not weeks, but I feel like it could be days, which you would not be expecting, and it's definitely going to add a lot of stress to your life. But whatever it is, maybe you will have to wait around 2 to 3 days. I don't think it's gonna go for week long, but yes, you will have to wait for getting the response that you are seeking or you are waiting for, which is going to be very kind of toxic time for you to deal with, because you are very positive, your mindset is very clear, you don't think that they will you are not prepared to get rejected here, and then there is like I do see some delays in the final decision coming from them, be that the person that you are dealing with, be that the family that your person has. There will be some delay in this process, not from your end but from the end of the other person. So in that situation, I feel like you're gonna have some sleepless nights, you will have some not so positive days where you will be overthinking and stuff, but you will get what you want. Maybe there are certain delays, again, not week long delays, it's going to be just a matter of a few days, maybe a couple of days, and then you will get a positive response from them. But yes, since you will have to wait, it is not something that you would be expecting. So I do see you having some negative mindsets, or negative thoughts creeping in your mind, especially around the end of the week time. But overall, the week is good. I do see your positive attitude, I do see you having a strong command on your life. Like you don't think that you are in that position where anybody can dictate you or oppose you. You are up there, and you don't need any approval or anything. But yes, somehow, maybe the delay is coming from your person's end, maybe it's coming from their family end, but whatever the case is, it's going to get resolved and you are going to get what you wanted in your in this situation, whatever it is. I feel like it's a love life situation more than anything else. If it applies to your work life, I feel like then your energy is pretty much of somebody who might have if you are, because I don't think it's a job situation or something, to be very honest. I'm thinking of love life situation more than anything else. And I do see that you won't be having any obstacle in this position right now where you are. It's like you have dealt with all of them. I do see clear path for you, but yes, certain delays are there, but it's more like which are going to go on their own in a couple of days time. You don't have to worry about them. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Let's see. This week seems like is going to be a good week for a majority of the signs that I've done already, especially when it comes to the love life situation. You deserve love, you are lovable, and you know that, and your person does deserve the love too. So let's take one more oracle, and then we're going to take charms. Demonstrate love, find out what is important to those you love and act on it. For some of you, I feel like for some of you, the time that I'm seeing that you will have to wait, maybe it's gonna come because your type of love is different than their type of love. Like maybe they expect you to be more available, and then you are not, because you are a busy person. And then you have to demonstrate them your kind of love, and you have to listen to their kind of love. So you could find a medium way out of it, where you don't have to you don't feel that you are settling in for less, neither they feel that they are settling in for less. It's just that you both are two different individuals, and the way you love is slightly different than what two like-minded people would love. And I feel like as you do so, things are gonna get better. Like you have to demonstrate them, you have to tell them how you want, or how you think a love life should be, and let them share their view of love, and how a married life or how a committed love life should be like. So So you could bring on some changes in the way you treat each other, so you could have a smoother life. So it's more like, the time when you are dealing with the issues that you had in the past. Maybe there were, some sort of misunderstandings because of the way you treat love or the way they wanted to be treated. So there might have been some clashes there. Maybe your person never understood your situation. They always demanded more time, and then you were not available, so they always felt neglected. If that's the case, again, I do see some open communication between the two of you. If it has not happened yet, I would suggest you to have that open communication with the person. And I feel like, the delays of you getting what you want is going to be because of this. Like, somebody needs to talk about love, commitment, marriage openly, so you don't have any misunderstandings left between the two of you. So that's what I'm picking up. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Love and belief. Okay, let's see what the card says. Ten of Wands. Nothing from the past is going to, stay between the two of you. Like, all is going to clear it out before you get a yes from them, and they or they, you get a yes from them, or they get you the yes if their energies are reversed. But yes, there is a strong I do see that you're starting off a new chapter with the same old person. It's nobody. Somebody. I feel like, this person is somebody from the past for sure. Yes, there has been like some issues that you were facing in the past, but yes, now things are getting cleared. And if you are still having some issues, for some of you, maybe you have a baby with this person already. Maybe even if you are not married, maybe you are separated. Maybe you are, emotionally not emotionally connected to each other, but yes, maybe no communication is between the two of you. I feel like, for some reasons there has been some differences or distances between the two of you. Maybe you live at a different state, country, or something. But again, whatever the case has been, it was because of the financial status. Maybe for the two of you, maybe they were not able to afford you to be living with them because their financial situation was different then. Now it's a different situation, and now they want you to live with them and stuff like that. That could be the case for some of you. But yes, I do see you having a happy nest built together, and starting off as a couple together very soon. It's again, it might take more than this week time, but I don't see it's gonna go longer than the next week time. So it's gonna be either this week or very few first days of the next week. So yeah, there's provision coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.